Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Without spices, most dishes would be boring. I can stand blah recipes. Therefore, I always season my food with herbs and spices. I've been sharing many homemade blends and rubs, and today, here's another tasty one for you. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a bowl, we'll add brown sugar, smoked paprika, kosher salt, chili powder, onion powder, some garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended and store it in an airtight container. It makes half a cup.
As you saw in this video, it's quick, easy, and will definitely enhance your proteins. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!